The 2010 Honda Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: third row seat, anti-lock braking system, CD changer, stability control, traction control, airbags, power steering, driver airbag, front air conditioning, alloy wheels. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.